make a traditional Welsh cake. So I'm going to start by measuring my flour out, and I'm going to use 8 ounces. And then I'm going to add 2 ounces of caster sugar. I'm then going to add a good handful of sultanas. Then add about 4 ounces of a good quality margarine or butter. The next stage then, we're going to mix this up together. Once it's all mixed in together, we will then add 1 egg. I'm then going to see what the consistency is like. Probably it might need a second egg. We've just put 2 eggs in here now, and we've just got this just perfect. This is how you'd want it. I'm going to tip this out onto my board. Just get into a nice round ball, and now I'm going to start rolling. There we are. We are all ready now to cut them out. The secret to really good Welsh cake making is to give them a lot of love and a lot of attention. I've got a piece of grease-proof paper, which I'm going to put my Welsh cakes on to stop them sticking to the tray. Now we're going to take them over to our griddle and start cooking them. They're going to cook for a few minutes on one side, and then we'll turn them over and we'll cook them on the other side. And here we are, beautiful homemade Welsh cakes.